Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jordan from Boss Life in Progress, where career, confidence, and communication meet to help you find your ideal career. In this video, I'm going to keep up my resume series, and in this video, we're going to be talking about the difference between hard and soft skills. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I've already done an individual video on hard skills and soft skills, and they're in my improved resume playlist, so you can check that out here. But what I want to talk about in this video is to give you more examples and to help you really ingrain the fact that hard and soft skills are the things that are going to take your resume and ultimately your career to the next level. All right, so let's actually start with hard skills. What is the difference between hard skills and soft skills? Hard skills, like I mentioned in my previous video, are technical in nature and they're quantifiable, meaning they can be measured in numbers. Things like programming, design, mathematics can all be used as hard skills if you use them correctly on your resume. This makes them perfect to use in conjunction with numbers. For example, you facilitated project meetings that led to a 5% increase in leads. The things that the hiring manager are looking for are those increase in 5% leads. Now, you also led team meetings, which we'll get to in the soft skills. But basically, they're used on your resume to highlight unique skills that you got from education or experience. So, what's the difference? Well, let's get to soft skills and we can find out. Soft skills are things that aren't very measurable. Self-motivation, detail-oriented, dependable. These are things that, while great, can't be measured in number. You can't be, 95% dependable, because how can you actually measure that? Soft skills are subjective, but they add that human touch that could push your resume into the keep pile and keep it off of the toss pile. For example, you collaborated with a team of 15 people on design that led to a timely and accurate submission. In this example, you collaborating with a team means you're a team player. You making sure that the project was timely and accurate means that you're goal-oriented and you make sure you get things in on time. Those are all things that can be considered soft skills. They add to your repertoire of human experience. Pro tip, you can actually prove your soft skills by accompanying them with wins. So in this particular example, you collaborated with a team of 15 people and you turned in an assignment on time and accurately. That is considered a win. If you were to just say, I collaborated with a team to do projects, that's nice, but it doesn't add that kind of flair that we're looking for. No matter their differences, if you mix hard and soft skills, your resume will be amazing. You'll absolutely kill in your interview and you'll get that new job and or promotion that you are looking for. So make sure to make a good mixture of the two. I hope you guys liked that video about the difference in hard and soft skills and how they can actually help you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye.